Welcome to our product selection videos, where we help you find the right tool for the job. This video covers our scoop and bucket varieties. Remco and Viken's range of scoops and buckets handling can help with all your material handling needs. They are all hygienically designed without any seams or cracks, making them easier to clean and limiting harborage points for microorganisms and allergens. Additionally, all of Remco and Viken's scoops and buckets are made from food contact compliant materials. First, let's have a look at the Remco hand scoops, which come in 3 different sizes. The 2 largest are also available in a metal detectable material. These large capacity scoops are ideal for moving flour, sugar, nuts, ice, and many other ingredients in food production areas. Next is the Viken round bowl scoop, which comes in 2 sizes. They are lightweight and ergonomically designed with pouring spouts on 2 sides, enabling both left and right-handed users to easily pour from the scoop. The scoop's interior contains a measuring scale. This product is ideal for use in food production areas to move or measure dry, wet, or liquid food ingredients. Here we have the Remco Mega Scoop and Mega Dipper. These are great for handling bulk materials. Their solid construction makes them extremely durable. These are our largest capacity hand scoops, and they can hold up to 128 fluid ounces of material. The Mega Dipper can be used with any Viken threaded handles as to extend your reach. The Viken measuring jug is a multi-purpose tool, which can be used as a scoop. You are able to fill, measure, and pour more accurately with this cleverly designed jug. Easy-to-read transparent scales on each side let you choose your unit of measurements, milliliters, UK fluid ounces, and US fluid ounces. The elongated spout and optimized handle ensure easy, precise pouring, and the wide bottom ensures stability and hygienic cleaning. The Viken Hygiene Bucket comes in 3 sizes with matching lids. This award-winning bucket is ideal for transporting cleaning chemicals and both hot and cold ingredients, or as a station for mixing or storing ingredients. It has a drip-free spout, a hand grip that is raised from the base, and a sturdy stainless steel handle. It also has molded measuring units. The flat side prevents spillage, and the bucket has its own wall bracket for storage. Thanks for watching our overview of Remco and Viken scoops and buckets. And as always, if you have additional product questions, please visit our websites remcoproducts.com or contact our customer service team